Jai Hind students. Our next topic is like fractions. So like fractions having the same denominator. Fractions having the same denominator are called like fractions. ऐसे सभी fractions जिनका denominator same हो. 2 is numerator and 9 is denominator. 4 numerator, 9 denominator. So here numerator is 9. इन सभी fractions का जो denominator है वो 9 है. So these fractions are like fractions. They all are like fractions because denominator is same. And unlike fractions having different denominators, जिनके denominators different होते हैं. Here is 2, 4, 6 and 9. All denominators are different. So fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Now one more thing, comparison of fractions. If there are two fractions and we have to find what is greater and what is less, so then we will compare these fractions. If 8/9 and 5/9, there are two fractions, so which fraction is greater? 8/9 is greater than 5/9. Here denominator is 9, this is equal and 8. अब हम न्यूमिनेटर में चेक करेंगे, 8 is greater than 5, so 8/9 fraction is greater than 5/9. Similarly 1/5 and 4/5, which fraction is greater? This is denominator is same. Means like fractions जो होते हैं, like fractions में हम न्यूमिनेटर चेक करते हैं. This is like fraction and this is also like fraction. So 8 is greater than 5, so 8/9 is greater than 5/9. Here 4 is greater than 1, 5 is, this is like fraction and 5 is, denominator is equal, so 4/5 is greater than 1/5. And if we talk about unlike fractions, these are like fractions. And if we talk about unlike fraction, then unlike fraction में को कंपेयर करने के लिए इसके हमारे टू मेथड्स हैं. unlike fractions को कंपेयर करने के लिए, फॉर एग्जांपल हमने एक एग्जांपल लिया 1/2 and 1/3. विच फ्रैक्शन इज ग्रेटर? तो सबसे पहले हम इनका एलसीएम ले सकते हैं 2 and 3 का. सो what is the LCM of 2 and 3? 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. So LCM is 6. 1/2. 1/2 को हम 6 करने के लिए 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कराएंगे. 3 से न्यूमिनेटर में एंड 3 से डिनोमिनेटर में. देन 1 into 3 3 and 2 into 3 6. 3/6. एंड 1/3 का डिनोमिनेटर भी हमें सेम करना है 6. देन 1/3 into 2 and 2. 3 2s are 6. डिनोमिनेटर हमारा सेम हो गया एंड 1 into 2 2. So 3/6 and 2/6. अब जो ये हमारे फ्रैक्शंस आए 3/6 and 2/6, these are like fractions. अब इसमें हमें we know that 3/6 is greater than 2/6 and 3/6 is equal to 1/2. 1/2 is greater than 1/3. So this is one method, and another method is very simple. This is short method. 1/2 and 1/3 आप इस टाइप से भी चेक कर सकते हैं कि 1/2 और 1/3 में कौन ग्रेटर है. आप 3 की मल्टीप्लाई 1 से कराएंगे. 3 into 1. इस 1 में 3 से मल्टीप्लाई, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई मेथड कहते हैं इसे हम. 1 में 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कराएंगे 3 and 2 into 1 2. So 1 into 2 2. 3 and 2. So this fraction 3 is greater than 2. So 1/2 is greater than 1/3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3 हमारा यहाँ आया and 2 1s are 2. So this fraction is greater than this fraction. Now we will take one more example. So if question is 3/8 and 5/12. 3/8 and 5/12 में हमें कंपेरिजन करना है. सो फर्स्ट मेथड एलसीएम लेंगे हम 8 and 12 का. एलसीएम ऑफ 8, 12. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1 and 3 and 3 1s are 3. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2 2 and 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 24 is the LCM. LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Now 3/8. यहाँ पर हमें डिनोमिनेटर को किसमें कन्वर्ट करना है? 24 में. सो 3/8 इसको कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम 8 में 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कराएंगे. 8 3s are 24. 3 3s are 9 and 8 3s are 24. Now this is 24. We will take 5/12. 5/12. So 5/12. Now we will multiply by 2. 12 2s are 24 and 5 2s are 10. So now denominator are same. So this is 9/24 and 10/24. Then 10/24 is greater than 9/24 and 9/24 की जगह हम लिख सकते हैं 3/8 and 10/24 5/12. So 5/12 is greater than 3/8 and simple method is 12 3s are. अगर हमें सिंपल वे में इसे कंपेयर कराना है then 12 3s are 36 and 8 5s are 40. So which is greater? 40. 40 is greater than, so 5/12 is greater than 3/8. So student, with the help of this video, you can solve your exercise 7.4. Thank you.